In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bubble on Life360 app 2026. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Life360 app. Once it loads and I'm on the main map screen, I'm going to find my profile on the map. From here, I'm going to zoom in closer to my profile so it's easier to see the options around it. Just pinch and zoom on the screen until your profile is clearly visible. Once I'm zoomed in on my profile, look toward the bottom left area of the screen. You should see an option that says Create Bubble. When you see that, go ahead and tap on Create Bubble. This is the feature that lets you hide your exact location and show only an approximate area instead. After tapping Create Bubble, Life360 will walk you through a few setup screens. I'm just going to tap Continue, and you may need to tap Continue a couple of times as the app explains how the bubble feature works. Just take a second to read if you want, but you can move through it pretty quickly. Once you get through those screens, you'll see the option that says Create a Bubble. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see a slider on the screen. This slider controls how large or small your location bubble will be. As I move the slider, you'll notice the bubble getting bigger or smaller on the map. A larger bubble means your location is more general, while a smaller bubble is a bit more precise. Adjust this to whatever level you're comfortable with. Once you're happy with the bubble size, tap Continue. Now the app will ask you to set how long you want the bubble to last. This is the duration of time your location will stay hidden inside that bubble. You can choose how long you want it active depending on what works best for you. After selecting the duration, tap Continue again. Then on the final screen, tap Done to finish setting everything up. As soon as you do that, your bubble becomes active. At this point, your exact location is no longer visible to your circle members. Instead, they'll only see the approximate area defined by the bubble you just created. You'll still be part of the circle, and everything else in the app continues to work normally, just without showing your precise location. If you ever want to remove the bubble or change it, you can come back to the same area, zoom in on your profile again, and manage the bubble settings from there. And once the time you selected runs out, the bubble will automatically expire unless you set it again. So just to quickly go over what we did while doing it live, you opened the Life360 app, zoomed in on your profile, tapped Create Bubble, went through the Continue screens, created the bubble, adjusted the size with the slider, set how long it should last, and then tapped Continue and Done to activate it. And that's it. That's how you add a bubble on the Life360 app in 2026 using your iPhone.